Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope that you are safe and doing well. In today's video, I share with you a simple but elegant home decor DIY using these boho inspired wooden feathers that I picked up from my local Dollar Tree. Now let's get started. I started off by spray painting my feathers. This wooden material did not take spray paint well, so I decided to add a coat of black paint to use as a primer before adding 2 coats of gold. Here's what the feathers looked like once the paint dried. They could really use one more coat, but at the last minute, I decided to repaint them white instead. Based on the number of coats it took to paint these feathers, I would recommend hand painting them instead. Next, I added metallic self-adhesive tape that I picked up from Shein for less than $4. Once I was happy with my design, I cut away the excess and then I pressed down firmly to ensure that the tape stays in place. The white paint is dry to the touch, but I'm hoping that adding the tape before the paint completely dries will help with the adhesion. I wanted to add a bit of sparkle, so I'm adding Dollar Tree diamond wrap. Not a fan of diamond wrap? Well, Dollar Tree offers a ton of other options. Next, I added more of the self-adhesive tape around the perimeter of these wood boards, also from Dollar Tree. I then used a strong adhesive to adhere one of the feathers to the top of one of the wooden boards. I'm moving the feather around to find a good position. I want to hide the wood board as much as possible. As you can see, the wooden board is slightly wider than the feather towards the bottom, but I'll show you why that's okay a little bit later on in the video. To hang my design, I'm using D-ring hangers. If I wanted to hold heavier items, I would add 2 of the D-ring hangers, but for this design, I'm only adding 1 in the center. Next, I'm adding Dollar Tree wire LED lights. I'm using hot glue to attach my wires, but I'm only adding the hot glue to the wires and not the bulbs. I also made sure that my battery pack cover was faced up. I'm using Dollar Tree wire lights. However, using inexpensive lights that have a timer or that are remote controlled are also great options for this project. Next, I'm adding white Dollar Tree floating shelves to my design. I'll use the screws and anchors that came with the shelves to hang my design, but to attach the shelf, I'm using smaller screws that I already had at home. Now that I've tested my lights and secured my shelves, I allowed my design to dry overnight. I came across these super cute white textured Dollar Tree candles, and I thought they would be perfect for this project. And here's the finished look. I'm really happy with how these unique white feathered wall sconces turned out. They were inexpensive, super easy to make, and I think they turned out beautiful. But what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. As always, I would love to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And be sure to check out my online store at www.glamhomedesigns.com. I found more of these boho-inspired wooden decor pieces at my local Dollar Tree, and I'm excited to share with you what I did with them in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, Dazzlers, bye!